Hello everyone. In my previous video, I explained the installation and setup process for Bazaro. In this video, I'll walk you through how to sign up, log in, and reset your password in Bazaro. First, open the command prompt in the root directory of the project and run the main.py file. I'm assuming you have already run the setup.py and firstrunner.py files as part of the initial setup. Now, as a new user, click on Sign Up and fill in the required details. You don't need to provide a real mobile number, but make sure the email address you enter is valid and accessible, as it will be used for verification. After submitting the form, an OTP will be sent to your registered email. Enter the email OTP and click on Sign Up. You can leave the phone OTP field empty. It's not required. Once your sign up is successful, restart the app. Enter your credentials and log in. We'll explore all the features of the app in the next video. For now, let's see how to reset your password. To reset your password, restart the app and enter your username. Make sure you remember it. Now, enter an incorrect password intentionally. As you can see, it shows that the password is incorrect. Click on Reset Password. The system will automatically fetch your registered email and send an OTP to it. Enter the OTP, set a new password, and click Reset. You'll then be redirected to the login page. If you try logging in with your old password, it won't work. Enter your new password, and you'll successfully gain access to the app. Thank you for watching.